The chief characteristics of human language. Language is a complex, rule-governed system of communication unique to human beings. While animals communicate through signs and sounds, human language possesses specific design features, a term popularized by linguist Charles Hockett, that make it a sophisticated tool for thought and expression. Arbitrariness. One of the most defining features of language is arbitrariness. There is no inherent, logical, or natural connection between a linguistic sign, the word, and its referent, the object in the real world. For instance, the animal we call a cow is called vache in French and guy in Hindi. The choice of sounds is purely conventional. The only exceptions are onomatopoeic words, like cuckoo or splash, which represent a very tiny fraction of any language. Duality of patterning, or double articulation. Human language is organized at two levels. At the primary level, we have a limited set of discrete sounds called phonemes, such as b, a, and t, which carry no meaning in isolation. At the secondary level, these sounds are combined in specific ways to form meaningful units called morphemes or words, such as bat or tab. This allows a finite number of sounds to produce an infinite number of meanings. Productivity and creativity. Unlike animal communication, which consists of a fixed set of signals, a closed system, human language is an open system. We can produce and understand an infinite number of new sentences that have never been uttered before. Displacement. Displacement is the ability to speak about things that are not present in the immediate environment. Humans can discuss the past, plan for the future, or describe imaginary worlds like heaven or fictional characters. Animal communication is generally restricted to the here and now, triggered by immediate stimuli like hunger or danger. Cultural transmission. While the capacity for language is innate, as argued by Noam Chomsky, specific languages are acquired through cultural transmission. A child born to Indian parents but raised in France will acquire French, not Hindi. This shows that language is a socio-cultural construct passed down from one generation to the next through social interaction, rather than being purely instinctual. Specialization and reflexivity. Language is specialized because the physical effort of speaking, vocalizing, is not intended for any other biological function. Its primary purpose is communication. Furthermore, language is reflexive, meaning we can use language to talk about language itself, metalinguistics. This allows us to define words, correct grammar, and analyze linguistic structures. In summary, the chief characteristics of human language, arbitrariness, duality, productivity, displacement, and cultural transmission, collectively form a system that is far more versatile than any other form of biological communication. These features allow humans not just to convey information, but to build cultures, record history, and engage in abstract reasoning.